All right, everybody. While this is loading up, I just want to, talk about how today is going to be a kind of a cool day. A cool day. I mean, every day's cool in here, but if anybody gets really cold during the day, you can always go stand in the corner because it's always 90 degrees. But I'm so funny, even on video. I'm hilarious. Okay, sorry. Enough for that. This is a cool day. You know why? Because we're going to get to use Desmos to solve these things. So that means you're going to need your laptops today. Obviously, you need your laptops anyway because you're watching a video. All right. So first thing I want you to do is get out a scrap sheet of paper and let's go through some warm-up problems. I would like you to take a couple minutes and do these 3 problems. Don't forget that whenever I'm out, I am always going to check the warm-ups. I'm going to check the notes. Actually, I'm going to check the last night's homework. And I'm going to check the notes. Okay. All right, so go ahead and pause and get some work done and then come back to me and we'll see how it goes. All right. So is this an ordered pair? Is this ordered pair a solution? Let's double check. Let's see. Okay, let's plug it into the top one. 3 times 2 plus a negative 2. Is that 4? 6 plus negative 2. Is that 4? Yep. That checks out. Let's check the bottom. 2 minus 3 times negative 2. Is that negative 4? Well, this is 2. Ooh, plus 6. Is that negative 4? Nope. Is that a solution? No, it's not a solution. Okay. All right. Let's graph number 5. Okay, so I'm going to color code it again. There's my blue. There's my red. My blue line, the slope is 1/2 and the y-intercept is 0. Ooh, this is a direct variation running through the origin. Rise 1, run 2. Remember to make a bunch of coordinates because we don't know where the other line is going to end up. Okay, there's my line. Sorry about my mishap there. All right, let's take red. The slope is -1 and the y-intercept is 3. Okay, so 3 here. 1, 2, 3. And now I go toward my line. Down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. Right there. I made enough points. Perfect. Where is my intersection point? 2, 1. Okay, let's take a look at my next one. Now, my top equation, is that solved for y? Yes, even though y is on the other side, it's still solved for y. -2, 1, -1. So I go down to right 1 or up to left 1. Oh, yeah, that's right. Up to left 1. Okay, there's my line. Ooh. All right, so my slope here for the other line, the red line, I've got to solve it for y. So y is equal to, subtract x, -x plus 3. So the slope is -1 and the y-intercept is +3. 1, 2, 3. And now I go toward my line. Now, slope is -1, down 1, right 1, or up 1, left 1. Going this way. Right there. It almost looks like it hits that line, but remember, share points. Right? So there is my line. Sorry for the curviness. Okay, so there's my coordinate, -4, 7. Don't believe me or you're not sure? Plug it back in to see if it worked, just like we did in the first warm-up problem up here. All right, let's take a look at our homework. All right, so these are the answers here. Check your answers, yeah? Now, I'm showing all of the work here so you can see, is it a solution or not? I will be checking the work along with this, so make sure that if you have not done the homework, you need to copy all this stuff down because I will be checking it. Okay. Oh, there's 9. Oh, must be the same answers. Oh, I didn't even click the next page. That's why. Okay, so again, it was 9, 10, 11. Here's 12 with the 2 graphs. The answer's down here. 13. Answer's right here. 14. Whoop. -4 comes. Okay, pause whenever you need to. Don't forget. Number 15. And there's the answer for number 16. Okay, you see both of the equations there. X is the number of weeks, and Y is the number of miles, totals for the week. So 3 weeks, 10 miles. Okay. All right. So hopefully we had we did pretty okay on our homework. I will go over any answers that you need to when I get back. So please save any questions that you may have. All right. So now let's open up a new tab on your browser and look up the Desmos calculator. Now, we've already done this a little bit. You're just going to search Desmos calculator. There you go. You could go to my, it's also linked on my Canvas homepage, but we've already done this a little bit with one equation. You know, we've said, okay, what happens when I have like y equals 2x plus 5, right? Right. Oh, and we can see the intercept, and it's nice and cool, and we can zoom in and we can zoom out, and it's all fancy, and oh, that's awesome. But you want to see something even cooler? You want to see something crazy? Take a look at this. Let's plug in these two equations. I'm going to go side by side here. Okay. Take a look at these two equations. Watch what I can do. Let's type in the first one. Negative 2x minus 1. And if I enter down, I can create another equation. Y equals x plus 5. OMG, you've got to be kidding me. Look at this. You can actually see the intersection point. What? Man, now don't forget, this is the calculator that you get to use on your test. Oh, excuse me, on the end of course test, not on my test, of course. No way. But look at that. Negative 2 comma 3 right there. How nice is that? Guys, I want you to practice using this a lot because this is an awesome tool. Okay? Try that one. Okay. I'm going to give you a minute to graph. Go ahead and graph it. Pause it if you need to. Y equals 1. Just use the divided by fraction bar. 3. Arrow over to make your 1/3. Yeah, all I did was hit the arrow key. X minus 3. Enter down for a new one. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, oh, well, do I have to put it into slope-intercept form? Let's see. Let's just try it out. 2x, I don't, plus y equals 4. Where's the intersection point? 3 comma negative 2. Look at that. That's almost like cheating. They let you use this on the test? That's ridiculous. Come on now. Try this next one. Go ahead and try that one. Two-fifths is 2 divided by 5. X minus y equals 0. 3x minus y equals 13. Where's the intersection point? 5 comma 2. The solution is 5 comma 2. Whoa. Man, this is awesome. Can I use this all the time, please? Okay, let's try this last one here. X plus 3y equals 4. Negative x plus y equals 2. Where's the solution? Look at that. Even it shows decimal values. You've got to be kidding me right now. That's ridiculous. This is so cool. Again, this is my version of cool, but whatever. Should be your version of cool too. All right. So this was just a quick run through of how to use the Desmos calculator. I'm going to do something fun now. I've told the sub already that you should be giving him a code word to get the homework. So you have to use the code word, okay? You have to use the code word. You're going to walk up to the sub, and you're going to say the word bananas. When you walk up to the sub, you're going to say the code word is bananas and whisper it like you're like top secret, okay? If you do this, he'll give you the homework, okay? If you just walk up to him and say, can I have the homework? He's going to say, no, what's the code word? And if you don't watch the whole video, you're not going to know what the code word is. The code word is bananas. All right, see you later, guys. Bye.